What's up, everyone? So today I actually got a package for the TSX. I know that's kind of a shocker. I don't really do much to the TSX because like it is my daily, but I decided to treat it a little better. And I saw these on the TSX Facebook group page, and I was like, whoa, I've never seen these before. They're obviously the tail lights because you clicked on the fucking title, but okay, sorry. So it's the next day, my battery died. But yeah, so here's one of the tail lights, one of the pieces. Here's the other one. So it looks really cool. They come with the black housing and then a red housing. My car is black, so I thought, like, I'm guessing the black will look better with it. The red, not a big fan, to be honest. Like, I'd rather just stick to the OEM ones. And then the black housing, like, it's cool, but I feel like it's a little too much, like, aftermarket in a way. I don't know how to say it. So, like, I feel like these would only look good in, like, black chassis. But it's the reason why I got it, because I have a black car. But, I mean, anything can look good as long as someone does it right? But yeah, so here's that one side. Packaging was pretty decent. There's the other ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go toss them in the car right now and see how they look. Okay, so from what I know of is you pop the trunk to get these out. You have like 3 nuts back there. You gotta pop this bolt or nut. It's a 10 mil, that's all I know. You gotta get that out, and then you have another bolt right here, and then you would have some shit right here, but I don't have these because I broke them off and it's just zip tied. So I just pop this out and then I just do that, and then my shit should come out. Should be easy. But yeah, so in case you don't know, so I just threw one of them on, and here's how it's looking so far. It was a pain in the ass. Whoops. Those were a pain in the ass. The 2 nuts, they're fully rusted and were rounded. And then the one that holds the bumper was pretty fucked too. I'll show you guys in a second. But here's the other one, so you guys can kind of get a feeling of what the Midwest is all about. Yeah, I just sprayed some PB Blaster on them right now. But let me show you what I did. For the bumper support, I ended up having to take a Dremel and just cutting it. Yeah, so I took a Dremel and I just cut it like that, and then took a flathead to go ahead and remove it. And then what I used were some self-tapping screws. Well, these are not self-taps. Well, kinda. Self-tapping, yeah. So I used some self-tapping screws, and what I used were these because those were pretty similar to the ones I had on. And it's number 10 by a 1/2 inch. So I'm recording this just so I remember for future, just in case. But yeah, so let's go throw on the other one. Okay, so after an hour and a half later, I finally got the tail lights on. These top ones were easy. You just pop this cover down, and then you have one nut right there, another one over there, and then the ones like right here on the outside. Those, it won't focus, but you know what I mean. The only thing I didn't like is that for some reason my harness wasn't reaching to this one, so I actually had to pop this clip down so I can reach. So that kind of bothers me now. I'm trying to, I don't know, see, like it won't, yeah, it's too much stress on the cable. So that's, I don't know if it's just mine or I don't know. But that's the only thing that I didn't really like. But I mean, they are eBay tails, so. Wow. So yeah, that's how it looks. Let me go ahead and turn on the lights and shit. So let's test out the emergency ones. There we go. So that's the emergency or blinkers. Let's go ahead and turn them all on. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I like that a lot. Yeah, they look good. I actually like them. Like, I actually like how it looks because it's a black chassis and then the black housing doesn't look as bad. I do think the all red ones would have been a little, or maybe they wouldn't look too bad on the black chassis also because the OEM ones are pretty much red. But yeah.